Hello guys, this is my first day of 30-day English challenge so that I can improve my English vocabulary as well as my speaking skill, because I am very underconfident uh, when when some English speaking is going on. So here I am going to eat some fruits like papaya, because I have some stomach related issue, uh, because before from 2 3 days uh, I have I have some busy schedule, some IC IACD conference is going on in my college, which is national level convention of the PG. So that in that I am participating as a as a participating as a volunteer. So here I'm going to eat papaya, as well as I'm here cooking khichdi. In my language it's known as khichdi. I don't know what is in English. So this is khichdi. I'm going to cook khichdi as well as eat khichdi. So this is the way, and I'm not going to miss any day. I am going to speak 30-day 5-minute challenge so that I can increase my English speaking. uh, this is my first day. I'm not confident over the camera as well in English. I am very confident in Hindi. If I am going to speak in Hindi, then I am overconfident, but not in English. So that this is my first day. After 30 day, I will improve my vocabulary as well as my speaking skill. So guys, today today my day was uh, not as expected, because um the papaya is too, what is sweetie. It's meetha. I'm going to eat. It is very healthy for the stomach related problem. When I am suffering from some constipation and stomach related problem, then Ayurveda gives me the prescription for eating such fruit before eating the before before dinner, lunch as well. So I'm going to eat that, because I'm suffering from constipation right now. Because in 2 3 days before, um on the 10th of April, the IACD conference, in that I am acting as a volunteer. After that, I have taken two not, I've taken at least 4 to 5 coffee. There were no food, because only two people are there in a room, and there is a strict schedule of paper presentation. In one room, I the 5 session, and in each session 8 students are giving the presentation. So it's a busy schedule. I don't have the time to go for eating. In evening, I have eaten naan as well as chicken, a little bit of mutton also, which is very unhealthy for me, because I am hungry since the whole day I don't eat anything, and in evening I'm going to eat the chicken as well as the mutton. So I as well as I have taken at least 4 to 5 coffee, which is, I am very sensitive towards the coffee. If I am taking coffee, then I don't go to sleep for the next at least 10 to 12 hours. So I don't sleep at that night. After that, in day, I completed my sleeping cycle, and then after that day, I'm completed the I have to go to the convention hall so that I can take my certificate also. And there I have taken certificate from conservative department, HOD sir, Dr. Ajay Malik sir, and then the convention is over. Here also the chicken I have eaten chicken in the lunch, as well as some cookies and biscuit also, which is very unhealthy for my stomach on that time. So thank you guys. Now I have completed my 5 minutes. Thank you so much. Tata. I am कल मिलेंगे. Tomorrow I will meet at that time.